Good evening, everyone. Today is September 24th. The time is 10:02 p.m. This is a Dow Jones chart. Today I'll do something different. I'll go with the minute chart. This is the trend line I drew from daily chart, and if the bounce continues, then it will go up to 15,400 level, something like that. And let me see if I can draw a trend line based on this. So it should look like this, and this is the downtrend line, so it will somewhere it will go up to 15,400, 15 to 15,403. That should be the thing we will be looking for a upward trade, and it said that somewhere on tomorrow 4:30, 5 o'clock we can figure out which directions the trend is gonna go. If we look at the hourly chart from minute chart, then we can see this is the trend line, this is the downtrend line I actually draw. So this is the one we are looking forward, that even the upward move should be limited. You can draw another trend line from here to here for that reason. If I look at the daily chart, also an hourly chart, the upper trend line has been broken, so we don't know how long it will continue. If you do the Fibonacci ratio, I think it's the 1/3 is the downtrend and the gap has been filled. Yes, it might go up, but we don't know. Let's see if it touches the resistance line and it falls down, or if it breaks it, then let's see how it's gonna play out. This is the daily chart, and in the daily chart I actually drew a new trend line based on the last few days of downtrend line. So this is the September 18th trend line. From this high I drew the downward trend line, so it's a limited there's a resistance, and it has a limited upside. I think downside has a more power to it. And the weekly chart is, this is the new weekly chart. I just the previous downtrend I drew, it broke and it went up. This is the second downtrend I draw. Let's see how it's gonna play out. It's really narrow. I don't know whether the market is gonna work out like that, but I doubt it. But it's really narrow, so I'm afraid that it is gonna go down really way down if this is a narrow angle, based on the angle. If we look at the monthly chart, then we can see the downtrend and the uptrend is still valid, and it's forming a some sort of top, just like here in 2008. It is forming a top, and then we don't know how it might go for sidewise, if it can't push up, or it might retest the lows at least 13,000 or 14,000, at least a retest somewhere around this range before it goes up or down. We don't know yet. This is a monthly chart. It's a very long term chart, but based on the minute chart you can see we have a limited upside, 14,415 or so, and hourly chart is limited and maybe more towards the downtrend, because the whole issue is a downtrend, is trending downtrend. So thanks a lot. This is a very short experimental video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have